Life is busy, always moving, so much to do. Work, family, friends, errands, appointments. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. Our brains try to keep up, juggling tasks and dates, but sometimes things slip through the cracks. We forget appointments, miss deadlines, and feel the weight of disorganization. It's a common problem in our fast-paced world, but there's hope. Technology offers tools to help us regain control. Specifically, artificial intelligence, or AI, is stepping in as a powerful ally in the battle against chaos. Imagine this. You tell your AI assistant, schedule a meeting with Sarah for next Tuesday at 3 p.m. And just like that, it's done. Your calendar is updated, Sarah receives an invitation, and you receive a reminder closer to the date. This is the power of AI for scheduling. AI-powered calendar apps sync with your existing calendars, learn your preferences, and automate the process of scheduling appointments and meetings. No more back-and-forth emails to find a suitable time. AI does the heavy lifting for you. To-do lists can quickly become overwhelming if not managed effectively. This is where AI comes in handy. AI-powered task management apps go beyond simple list creation. They allow you to categorize tasks, set deadlines, and prioritize based on importance. Some AI tools even break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, making your workload feel less daunting. By analyzing your work patterns, these apps can also suggest optimal times for you to tackle specific tasks, maximizing your productivity. Birthdays, anniversaries, project deadlines, we all have important dates we don't want to forget. AI-powered reminder apps act as your personal memory keepers. Simply input the date and time, and the app will send you timely reminders, ensuring you never miss a beat. These apps can also learn your preferences over time, reminding you about recurring events or tasks, without you having to manually input them each time. This frees up your mental energy to focus on other things. Section 5. The power of prediction. AI anticipates your needs. One of the most remarkable aspects of AI is its ability to learn and adapt. This learning process involves analyzing vast amounts of data, recognizing patterns, and making informed decisions based on that information. The more data AI systems are exposed to, the more accurate and efficient they become in predicting outcomes and offering solutions. As you use AI-powered organization tools, they gather data about your habits and preferences. These tools monitor your daily activities, noting the times you are most productive, the tasks you prioritize, and even the way you interact with different applications. Over time, this data forms a comprehensive profile of your work habits. This allows them to predict your needs and proactively offer assistance. For instance, if you frequently search for certain types of documents or files, the AI can start to anticipate this and have those files ready for you before you even ask. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you need, often before you realize you need it. For example, if you consistently schedule team meetings on Monday mornings, the AI can recognize this pattern. It will then take the initiative to block that time on your calendar, ensuring that no other appointments are scheduled during that period. Your AI assistant might automatically block that time on your calendar and even send reminders to your team members about the upcoming meeting. This level of automation reduces the cognitive load on you, allowing you to focus on more critical tasks. Additionally, it can suggest potential meeting rooms based on your previous preferences and the availability of rooms. This ensures that you always have a suitable space for your meetings without the hassle of last-minute searches. This predictive capability makes AI a truly indispensable tool for staying organized. By anticipating your needs and streamlining your workflow, AI not only saves you time but also enhances your productivity. It's like having a dedicated assistant who is always one step ahead, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Section 6. AI and email. Conquering the inbox deluge. For many, email is a source of stress and overwhelm. The constant influx of messages can make it feel like you're drowning in a sea of unread notifications. Every time you open your inbox, it seems like there's a new wave of emails waiting to be addressed, adding to the already towering pile. This can lead to a sense of anxiety and a feeling of being perpetually behind. An overflowing inbox can feel like an insurmountable mountain of messages. Each email represents a task, a decision, or a piece of information that needs your attention. The sheer volume can be paralyzing, making it difficult to know where to start. It's easy to miss important messages amidst the clutter, leading to missed opportunities and miscommunications. AI-powered email tools are here to help you regain control. These advanced systems are designed to streamline your email management process, making it easier to handle the daily deluge of messages. By leveraging artificial intelligence, these tools can automate many of the tasks that typically consume your time and energy. These tools can intelligently filter spam, ensuring that your inbox is free from unwanted and potentially harmful messages. By automatically identifying and segregating spam, AI tools help you focus on the emails that matter, reducing the noise and clutter in your inbox. They can also categorize emails based on content, organizing your messages into relevant folders. This categorization helps you quickly locate specific emails, whether they're related to work, personal matters, or other interests. By sorting your emails into manageable categories, AI tools make it easier to stay organized and efficient, and even prioritize messages from important contacts. By highlighting emails from key individuals, AI tools ensure that you never miss critical communications. This prioritization helps you stay on top of your most important tasks and relationships, allowing you to respond promptly and effectively. Some AI tools can even analyze the tone of your emails, providing insights into how your messages might be perceived by the recipient. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining professionalism and clarity in your communications. By suggesting tone adjustments, AI tools help you convey your intended message more effectively, and suggest alternative phrasing to ensure your message is received as intended. Whether you're drafting a sensitive email or trying to strike the right tone, these suggestions can be invaluable. They help you communicate more clearly and effectively, reducing the risk of misunderstandings. With AI managing the mundane tasks, you can focus on the emails that truly require your attention. By automating routine processes, AI tools free up your time and mental energy, allowing you to concentrate on more meaningful and impactful work. In a world where email is a constant presence, AI-powered tools offer a way to conquer the inbox deluge. They help you stay organized, prioritize effectively, and communicate clearly, transforming your email experience from a source of stress to a streamlined and efficient process. Section 7. Smart Homes Organized Lives AI in Your Living Spaces. The integration of AI into our homes is another game changer for organization. Smart home devices, powered by AI, can learn your routines and preferences, automating various aspects of your daily life. Imagine your lights automatically turning on as you enter a room, your coffee maker brewing your favorite blend at your usual wake-up time, or your smart speaker reminding you about upcoming appointments. By seamlessly integrating into your living spaces, AI creates a more organized and efficient environment. Section 8. Finding your AI groove. Tips for smooth integration. Integrating AI into your life doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it can be a seamless and enjoyable process if approached with the right mindset and strategies. Start by identifying the areas where you struggle the most with organization. This could be anything from managing your daily schedule to keeping track of important tasks and deadlines. Are you constantly forgetting appointments? Missing deadlines can be a major source of stress and frustration. Is your to-do list always overflowing? A cluttered task list can make it difficult to prioritize and focus on what truly matters. Once you've pinpointed your pain points, explore the wide range of AI-powered tools available, and choose the ones that best suit your needs. There are apps designed to help with everything from scheduling and reminders to task management, and even mental well-being. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it takes time to learn how to use it effectively. Don't expect to master it overnight. Take the time to explore its features and understand how it can best serve you. Be patient, experiment with different apps and features, and don't be afraid to ask for help if needed. Many apps offer tutorials, customer support, and user communities where you can get tips and advice. Additionally, consider integrating AI into your home environment. Smart speakers and home assistants can help you manage your daily routines, control smart devices, and even provide entertainment and information on demand. Use AI to set reminders for important tasks and appointments. This can help ensure that you never miss a deadline or forget an important event. Organize your tasks with AI-powered to-do lists. These apps can help you prioritize your tasks, set deadlines, and track your progress, making it easier to stay on top of your responsibilities. Don't forget about your mental well-being. There are AI apps designed to help with stress management, meditation, and mindfulness. Incorporating these into your routine can help you maintain a healthy balance between work and relaxation. By taking the time to integrate AI into your life thoughtfully and intentionally, you can create a more organized, efficient, and balanced lifestyle. Embrace the possibilities and enjoy the journey of finding your AI groove. Section 9. Embrace the future of organization. AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's here now, ready to revolutionize the way we organize our lives. By automating tasks, providing timely reminders, and even anticipating our needs, AI frees up our mental energy and allows us to focus on what truly matters. Embrace the power of AI and unlock a world of organization, efficiency, and peace of mind. The future of organization is here, and it's intelligent.